The arrival of 16 migrants from Venezuela and Colombia on a private jet in Sacramento has sparked an investigation by California officials, who suspect they were transported under false pretenses by a private contractor. The migrants were left outside a Catholic church building with no prior arrangement or care in place. They had documentation purporting to be from the government of Florida, but it is unclear who paid for their travel and what promises were made to them. While the state attorney general is looking into potential criminal or civil action against those who transported or arranged for the transport of these vulnerable immigrants, local organizations and volunteers are stepping up to help them with food, shelter, legal assistance, and integration. One of these groups is Sacramento Area Congregations Together, ACT, a nonprofit group of local religious congregations that works on social justice issues. ACT says it is assisting the migrants who had been in El Paso, Texas, where they were approached by individuals representing a private contractor stating that they would assist them in getting to a migrant center, providing them with jobs and other free support. The migrants are men and women between 20 and 30 years old who did not know each other before being recruited. They were driven to New Mexico, where they stayed the night at a hotel and then flown by a private plane to Sacramento on Friday morning. Upon arrival at the airport, they were driven by bus to the front office of the Diocese of Sacramento, where they were left. The driver rang the doorbell of the building, telling the group they would be right back, but then drove away and never came back. ACT spokesperson Cecilia Flores told CNN that the group was confused and scared when they realized they had been abandoned. She said they had no idea where they were or what to do next. They had no money, no phones, no contacts, and no belongings except for their documents and some clothes. She said they were also hungry and thirsty, as they had not eaten since the night before. Flores said that ACT was contacted by the diocese staff, who asked for their help. She said that ACT mobilized its network of volunteers and partner organizations to provide immediate assistance to the migrants. They arranged for food delivery, water bottles, hygiene kits, masks, and blankets. They also found temporary housing for them at a local motel, where they are staying until more permanent solutions can be found. Flores said that ACT is also helping the migrants with legal assistance and integration. She said that they have connected them with immigration lawyers who can advise them on their rights and options. She said that they have also enrolled them in English classes and cultural orientation programs. She said that some of the migrants have expressed interest in finding jobs or continuing their education in Sacramento. Flores said that ACT is inspired by the resilience and courage of the migrants, who have endured a lot of hardship and uncertainty. She said that they are grateful for the support and solidarity they have received from the community. She said that ACT believes that every human being deserves dignity and respect, regardless of their immigration status or how they arrived in California.